In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inputs on topics in Microsoft Copilot Studio to make your bot conversations more dynamic. We'll walk through the process of adding an input to a topic so your bot can collect information from users and respond in a more personalized and useful way. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how natural your conversations feel. To begin, open your Copilot Studio dashboard and select the bot you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct bot before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Next, go to the Topics tab in the left side menu. From there, you can either open an existing topic or create a new one, depending on where you want the user input to happen. If you already have a conversation flow built, opening that topic will let you insert the new input exactly where it's needed. Once you're inside the topic, find the trigger phrases section and click on the node where you want to add your input. This is important because the placement of the input affects how the conversation flows. You want to ask for information at the point where it makes the most sense for the user. Now click the plus icon to add a new node and choose Ask a Question. This node is what allows the bot to prompt the user for information during the conversation. It's one of the most useful tools for creating interactive topic flows. After that, choose the type of variable you want to capture. For example, you might use text if you want the user to type something freely, or multiple choice if you want to guide them with specific options. Selecting the right variable type helps keep the conversation clear and improves the quality of the response you collect. You'll then see the saved response variable name. Rename it to something clear and easy to remember. This makes your topic easier to manage later, especially if you're using several variables in the same conversation. Once the variable is set up, use it in your condition nodes or handoff messages later in the topic. This is where the conversation becomes more dynamic, because the bot can react based on what the user entered and make the experience feel more tailored. When everything is in place, test your bot in the test panel on the right side of the screen. Make sure the bot captures the input correctly and uses it the way you expect in the conversation. Finally, save your topic and publish your bot so users can interact with the new input feature. That's all it takes to use inputs on topics in Copilot Studio. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.